सनद बिल्डर्स अँड डेव्हलपर्स. घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे. फ्लॅट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
पर्यटकांमध्ये डिअर जिंदगी रोड म्हणून प्रसिद्ध असलेल्या पर्रा येथील माडानी या परिसरात छायाचित्र आणि चित्रांकन करण्यास गर्दी दिसून येते. याचाच फायदा उठवत ग्रामपंचायतीनं तब्बल 2,500 ची कर आकारणी सुरू केली आहे. यामुळे पंचायतीच्या तिजोरीत लाखो रुपयांची भर पडत आहे. याचाच कित्ता गिरवत राज्यातील इतर पंचायती 500 पासून 5,000 पर्यंत चित्रांकन कर आकारण्याचे मनसुबे आखत आहे. विशेष म्हणजे बॉलिवूडच्या बिग बजेट चित्रपटांच्या शूटिंगसाठी राज्य सरकार 50,000 रुपये फी आकारणी करते. यातील काही हिस्सा शूटिंग होत असलेल्या ग्रामपंचायतींना दिला जातो. काही महिन्यांपूर्वी अशाच एका बिग बजेट शूटिंग दरम्यान कोविड किटचा कचरा विल्हेवाट न लावता सोडून दिल्यानं बराच गदारोळ माजला होता.
I am Jack Fernandez, a social activist come environmental health and safety hazardous risk. I look into all these matters, and today when in the afternoon I was passing by this area of a so-called a beautiful spot Madani, where all the villagers love and enjoy these areas. It was very suspicious when I saw 6 numbers of tourist people who had come was charged with a 2,500 rupees a tax, saying a garbage and entertainment was charged to them just to take the pictures on this beautiful spot, which is, I think it's conveniently wrong, as they have been hiring the separate private cars to do this outside, and that is also these cars which have been hired are specially outside the states from MH or from Karnataka, a modified car, which are making more traffic jam in these areas for doing all these shootings and this. It is a clear way of saying that this some sort of money extortion is going on, because when the owner of the car and the driver was asked, they were not responding me to give the information, saying we are paying this from the public charges garbage and the entertainment collection, that is 2,500, in which this car has been offered, which is extremely wrong, as people are being fooled, saying we are imposing this fee on this train to stop the traffic jam. Now my concern to the Parra Panchayat, the Sarpanch, Dilala Labo, a concerned authority, to let me know whether if she has imposed this to stop this for the fine which she has imposed to stop this traffic jam, or to increase the traffic jam by implementing new ways of this hiring of the cars and additional things, where more traffic, more flow will be blocked and more jam will take place. My advice for Dilala Lobo or Parra Sarpanch to take an immediate effect on this and stop all this nonsense what she is doing all around in a beautiful Parra village, as it is becoming high time that we are charging a high price amount like 2,500 just for doing a little shoots and shots and photos, where additional cars have been hired. The hired cars don't have a clue. So I don't understand how these hired cars who are cutting these tourists on this for the shooting are being paid from which money? Are they paid from the tax collecting money that is said as an entertainment, or what? This she is fully answerable, or let the thing to know as how she had done it and how she has implemented this.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयान शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारान. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याचबरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3,000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घर पण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.